I always emphasize on trading alongside with the market direction. You have slim chances of going wrong. Yes, trading is a game of probability, but you're likely to increase your winning probability when you trade with the market's direction. So I took this bar trade on Jump 50 index and I shared this signal, the buy signal, to my VIP members. More buys is expected on this index. To join my VIP group, message me or message my admin. Our usernames are being dropped in the public Telegram channel. So do well and don't miss out on my fire trade signals. So I dropped this buy signal on Jump 50 index and the trade is moving good. More buys is expected on this index. So how did I know this index is going to buy from this zone? In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys my market view and how I was able to predict the buys on Jump 50 index. So coming to the daily time frame, because you guys know that whenever you want to analyze the market, whenever you want to look out for trade opportunities, I start from a higher time frame. This higher time frame can be the daily time frame, it can be the weekly time frame, and it can be the monthly time frame. So let's actually start from the monthly time frame analyzing this index. So on this monthly time frame, we can see that this index has been bullish for months. We've got this bullish run on this index. We had about 1, 2, 3 months of bullish move in a row on this index. So this alone should give us a view on this index. This should tell us that this index is bullish at the moment, and we got this higher lows formation. We got the first low at that point and we got another low, but a higher low, right? So this structure alone is a bullish formation, and we've seen that this index has been very bearish. This index has had a decline in value from this point, right? You can see how massive this index dropped to the downside, and there's possibilities of seeing a reversal, of getting a reversal on this index on same price from this double bottom formation. The first lows at that point and the second lows at this zone. So this is technically a double bottom formation. Until price breaks above this level, we wouldn't get much buys. We have this level for price to contend with, this level of resistance. So if price can give a break above this level, then we'd see massive buys on Jump 50 index on the monthly time frame. Long-term buys, this would be a bullish run. Yeah, so everything's looking nice regardless of price not breaking above this neckline yet. Yeah, so how did I know this index is going to buy from this zone? How was I able to predict the buys on this index from this point? On identifying this market formation on the monthly time frame, I was able to spot this zone, and I actually expected price to, I was expecting the market to come test this level of resistance. I was expecting the market to come test that level of resistance before we could get any serious sell, right? Before we could get any major sell on this index. And we can see that the market is yet to give a test of this zone. So for price to test this level of resistance, we have to expect the buys on this index. Now we've gotten our focus on the market, which is buys, which is buy opportunity. Now the question is, how are we going to get into the trade? Because we can't buy this index. We can't just place a buy on this weekly time frame here, right? It would be a wrong goal. It's actually a wrong goal of trading. We can't just place a buy here because of the time frame we're on. We are likely to expose our trades to bigger risk. Yeah, because on a little move to the downside, we are up on a big loss, right? If the trade is to go against us with a little move, we are up on a big loss because we're looking at the weekly time frame structure. We have to still go lower to spot a good sell zone or a buy zone, right? So we can see that this index is currently at this point, and I'm expecting this index to push more to the upside. Yeah, and we have a level after spotting the market structure, the market direction, and we can tell that this index is in an uptrend. The next thing we do is to spot our level, right? Our level and zones. So we have one of those important levels here, which you can see market reaction on. Price buying from us is support here, support at this point, support at this zone, and price reacting on this zone, support here, price broke below to give a retest on it as a resistance. So this level technically is a key level, right? So we have possibilities of seeing price push up a little bit to come test this zone for the sell to the downside, or we see price sell from this current price level, right? We have two markets move, two expected markets move. Is either market move to the upside to come test that zone for the sells, right? Or we see price sell from this current price level before we get the buys. So that's my expectations on this index. So I saw a good buy zone on the daily time frame on this index, which I took advantage of. Yeah, so on the daily time frame, yeah, we got a good zone which we should be expecting price to come retest at this point, but we had an important level here. When we look closely, we can see that inside of all these whole bullish moves, there's only one point which we got a red candle formation, which is at this point. So this point is a very sensitive level. This was a zone I was waiting for price to get to for my short-term buys or possibly long-term buys, because we could see price give the buys from this point to contest this zone So this point was my zone of focus here. I was expecting price to come test this green red candle formation here. So that's actually a sensitive level, and we can see that market gave a test of it, and we got the general market direction, which is a market being an uptrend, creating higher lows and higher highs formation. This is our trend formation on the 4-hour time frame. We can see it properly on the 1-hour time frame. So this is a good uptrend, and if the market is in an uptrend, you have higher chances of getting more buy moves to sell moves. So I was actually expecting the buys on this index on seeing this market trend. You can see the trend clearly on the 1-hour time frame. You can see it here, this clear market uptrend. So I always emphasize on trading with the market direction. If the market is in an uptrend, look out for buy opportunities, and if the market is on a downtrend, you focus on the sell side of the market to look out for sell opportunities. All you have to do is to spot your sell levels, your possible sell zones, or your buy zones to take your trades. Yeah, so I was able to identify this zone as a good buy level, and I took my buys here with my stop loss below this entry. I shared the buy signal to my VIP members, and we made good profit from this trade, and we're still making good money from this trade. Yeah, so you can see how well this trade is moving. So how did I know this index is going to buy from this my identified level? Because me spotting this zone, I was able to spot out on the identify this level as a zone which we've got markets react on a couple of times. I don't know how I can extend this thing. Can I do that on the 15-minute time frame? Sorry, I need to extend this box. Yeah, good. Then yeah, coming back to the 1-hour time frame here, to the 1-hour time frame, I was able to spot this zone and see that this was a zone that we've got market react on a couple of times. We got market reaction here as a resistance. Sorry, first market reaction at this point, resistance. Second reaction here, resistance. Yeah, third reaction at this point, resistance as well. So the price has reacted on this level as a resistance. We got the last reaction here, resistance, before price decided to break above this level. Last reaction here, resistance, before price decided to break above this level. So on price breaking above this level, this was technically a resistance level that got broken, that got invalidated, turned support. So I was just expecting price to give a retest of this zone for me to take my buy trade. That's how simple it is. And you can see market gave the retest of that zone. We are getting more buys. You can see we are seeing more bullish candle formations here, which technically you could get more bullish moves on this index. That's how easy it is to trade price action markets approach. Yeah, just understand what the market is trying to do, identify your levels and zones, spot the market direction, and everything will go well. Just be patient, apply proper risk management, be disciplined. Yeah, so that's it. So you can see that markets coming to test this zone, I took my buys on this index, and for more confirmations of this buy zone, I was able to spot an order block level which boosted my buy confidence. I also brought up my Fibonacci 2 to confirm my buy zone if it's a good buy point, matching this Fibonacci 2 from the swing lows to the swing highs, because I'm looking out for buy opportunities. We can see that our buy point is on the 61.8 fib retracement level, which you can see here, and the 61.8 level is actually a golden level on the Fibonacci retracement 2. Is a level that has high probability of price reacting to whenever the market gets to it. So we can see price coming to test the 618 fib level, and we're getting the buys from this zone. More buys is expected. I've taken partial profit on this trade. My TP has been smashed, which I got here. My first TP level, which was at this formation here, has been smashed, and I'm still holding on to this trade. I'm likely to move my stop loss above my entry by the end of this video, and I will set my next TP level at this point, at this zone. The next one would be probably here. Yeah, and the next one would be at this zone. So if price can get to all these levels, our next possible level would be on the 4-hour time frame at this point. This big zone identified here. So daily time frame level, which is at this point. Let's mark it out at this zone here. This would be our next target level on this index. So that's this, guys. That's how I was able to predict the buy trade on Jump 50 index by identifying the market structure, spotting my levels and zones, then going down to a lower time frame for my entry points. So for more trade reviews like this and market breakdown, do well to smash the like button and drop a good comment on this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel, and to my returning viewers, I appreciate the support. Please engage in my videos. It really means a lot, guys. Let's do more and have a wonderful day.